good afternoon, and very much a big thank you that you are covering our entire the function. And me, on behalf of all my colleagues, Pankima Kaushik is standing over here to say a few lines about today's day. Actually, today was the 29th Foundation Day of Amar Jyoti Vidyalaya, and it's only last year that I actually joined the school, but in the last 1 year, I feel like I was attached with the school from a very old times. It feels like that. And today, myself being over here with all my colleagues and cooperation of all my colleagues, we have make it a success. Even maybe it's not a big or grand function, but still our students, they have all the capabilities, and today we have understood that, because it's for the first time today it's happening that the students are anchoring the program, which was in the first time in the history of Amar Jyoti in this 29 years. And since some of the teachers took the lead on this, and they really did very well, and by this we can understand one thing, that students, there is no limit for them, because for them sky is the limit. I can only say that today that our students are the best, and if we guide them in the proper way, they will be best in the entire region, I can say. But for that, we need my colleague and myself, we need everybody's cooperation, plus the cooperation of the students, and most importantly, the cooperation of the parents. Because without them, we will not be able to do this. So whatever the students are today, because of us, and plus the main part is because of their parents, and in this way, we want that the parents will be cooperating with us, and in the future also we are expecting such great functions. But without the cooperation of teachers, parents and students, nothing will be possible. So if any one of the party goes away, it will be impossible. So I need all the three parties to be together, united, and by being united, we can take Amar Jyoti to our great height. Thank you.
আমাৰ অমৰ জ্যোতি বিদ্যালয়ৰ 29তম প্ৰতিষ্ঠা দিৱস, সেই দিৱসটোত আমি খুব ধুমধামেৰে পাতিব পৰা নাই যদিও, উদযাপন কৰিব পৰা নাই যদিও, যিহেতু আমাৰ পৰীক্ষা নিচেই ওচৰত, 18 তাৰিখৰ পৰা আমাৰ এক্সাম ষ্টাৰ্ট হ'ব, সেইহেতুকে আমি স্কুলত মানে ইমান ভালকৈ সকলো ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীকে আগুৱাই নিয়াত, এবাৰ সাংস্কৃতিক দিশত আমি আগবঢ়াব ইমান পৰা নাই। তথাপিও যিখিনি মানে প্ৰতিষ্ঠা দিৱসত তেওঁলোকৰ পাৰফৰ্মেঞ্চ দিছে, মই খুবেই মানে সুখী, কিয়নো তেওঁলোকে নিজে নিজে ঘৰতে শিকি আহি ছিংগুল ডান্স পাৰফৰ্মেঞ্চ বা গ্ৰুপ ডান্সবিলাক, বা কোনোবাই কবিতা আবৃত্তি কৰিছে সৰু সৰু ল'ৰা ছোৱালীবিলাকে, চাই মই খুব সুখী হৈছোঁ। আৰু আমাৰ বিদ্যালয়ত সঁচাকৈ মানে ভালেমান এনেকুৱা ষ্টুডেণ্ট আছে, যিবিলাকক আমি যদি নিজে আগবঢ়াই নিব পাৰোঁ সকলো দিশতে, তেতিয়াহ'লে ইহঁতে ভৱিষ্যতে গৈ এজন মানে সুনাগৰিক হ'ব বুলি মোৰ আশা আছে। এই বিদ্যালয়খনক লৈ মই ইমানেই ক'ব বিচাৰিছোঁ।